Have you heard of Blink? It's a really popular way to pay online in Poland. You can use it through different bank apps and it's super easy to set up. If you're using Hostinger website builder, you can add Blink as a payment option for your customers. So if someone's in Poland and wants to pay, they can use Blink straight from their bank apps. So what you're gonna have to do to set up this, let's go to our website, click on edit website. And then what we're gonna have to do here is to click on online payment. Click on here, please. And now select manage store, please. And now from here, what you're gonna have to do is to click on payment. And then here, just make sure you connect your Stripe account. Okay, just connect your Stripe account from here. Once you connect your Stripe account, you're gonna have to go to payment methods and then here go to settings, and from settings select payments, and then here in payments select payment methods, and then just scroll a little bit down, and then here you should see Blink, popular in Poland. Just turn this on, and that's what you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll really appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. And if you have suggestions for the next Hostinger tutorial, let me know in the comment section.